How to change lock screen clock on Samsung. If you're trying to change the lock screen clock on Samsung, you first need to head over to your settings menu. Now once you land on the settings page, you can find the profile option right below and tap on wallpaper and style. And once you click on it, from here you can edit your lock screen. So click on your lock screen right here. And once you open up your lock screen settings, you can just tap on the clock icon. Just tap on clock and you will find different kind of clocks here. So as you can see here, I've selected the second one. If I tap on this, it will be changed to this one. And if you want a big date, you could choose this third one. If you want a big clock, or if you want analog clock, you have all of these available options right here. Or if you want to remove the clock completely, you could do that as well. What you could also do is change the color of the font. So as you can see here down below, you could choose different kind of fonts right here. You could also customize different colors, their shades, and everything else. And once you are happy with it, you could click on done. And now the color of the clock will also be changed. Now don't forget, you could also have an option to change the different fonts of your clock. So you could choose from these kind of different fonts. And after you're done, you could just tap on the done option at the top and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.